I will design Google AdSense approved niche website. I will build the AdSense approved blog. I will create page like about us, contact us, and disclaimer and privacy policy. Fully clean and premium design. I will do posting up to 10 posts from starter plan. It's unique quality posts. Hi there, I am Atya. I will provide you a complete audit of the website. Write a report with issue and solution. You just need to follow the solution and work accordingly. Main reason of Google AdSense application rejection: duplicate content, low quality of content, poor website development, poor website navigation, website loading speed low, no SEO friendly articles, poor page condition, technique issue, theme error, and plugin issue. I will provide you AdSense approval 100% guarantee, AdSense friendly content upload, install plugin, customize your WordPress site, responsive WordPress site, premium design, paid plugins, user friendly site, and premium themes, fast speed WordPress site, index your site in Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Much more according to your website's design. Last and very important note, nowadays Google AdSense taking too much time cause of coronavirus, so please do cooperate with us. Thank you.